What's the secret?
Huh?
What's the secret to hitting it straight?
Just eat corned beef.
Back with Sensei now. Hey, in case you guys didn't know, Kingston's the head barber now at Chop Shop in Pamua. Whakalo whatu mā kou. Mawholo na koi. Before I start the video, I'd just like to make a big shout out to Vai, Mo Stan, whakoelahi, mai ke ono mai tō ki whanga haku mō tau tama. Big shout out to Vai, Stan and the kids watching this. Appreciate your views. And yeah. Vai, tō Whileweia e whono e Champions of Change. My Felini. Okay, so today here I'm at the my Mrs. grandparents. Whakaute e mai ke mau e COVID-19 se e mai ke whakamea whale se o mai a mautolu mo manga whaua ki langamatai atu ke whakamea e I tua. Moa e pupu, huo pupu, and all this other stuff. So I'm here at my Mrs. grandparents' house. They just had COVID and they weren't able to do much for a couple of weeks, so we're just here to help out, clean the backyard and mow the lawn, pull some weeds and just give some support, eh? So I'm not sure what we're planning to do. I got a lot of energy, so hopefully we can get it all done today. And big shout out to the other mangawhaua that was able to come and help. So yeah, won't give the location and I probably won't take the camera in just because of privacy. Give them some privacy. They're old and yeah. Okay, we'll see you after, eh? And yeah. Monuine po, monuine awhiawhi, monuine pongpongi, kia monuina. Whakalo whatu mā kou. Hoka te o ke ne te polo, ke Whileweia mō manga whaua haku. Oi hawha ono e manga aho. E pō nei, pō e uli, e monga nei. Yeah. Man, I'm here at the netball courts. Back to catch up, play netball, catch up with the family. Man, it's 6:30, dark already. That before would get here and it's still daytime, but now it's getting darker, which means the winter's coming. Yeah, so looking forward to it. This is our first game back since Easter weekend, and I've put on a bit of weight. Yeah, so it'll be good to catch up with family. Some of the fams have gone to Wellington, so hopefully we can find some improvements on the spot. But yeah, looking forward to catching up with David. Should be here soon. But yeah, until then, tō Whileweia. Whakalo whatu mā kou, look, he's back.
Hey, man, it's been fun. So, all that game. So I hope they want to win. Right, good luck, guys.
How was your Easter, Dave?
Oh, it was good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You still on school holidays, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah. I like your hoodie.
Thanks.
Man. Okay, Dave.
Yeah.
Any last words?
I'll wait for Hayden for my brother Hayden.
Alright.
Yeah.
Okay. Pai tupu.
Oh, yeah. Oh, man, we won. Man. Awesome time. We got Hayden back, so
Whakau e. Pai kupu.
Taki e whai pulahi. Marako ke whakau e ke kaun perene polo, puri po nei. Homo lahi tau rahua, homo lahi poki tau ola. Te maua, homo tau ola ia. Si ko tautu e kau a mautolu. Si homo whanalahi tau sino. Aia, pēni. Manu ne po.
Any words?
Play up. What was that guy's name? Melly?
Guy.
No, girl, they got the fourth runner.
Why is it?
Because I was gonna see, there's a good fourth runner. I didn't even watch it, I was playing rugby.
Oh, Maddie was her name?
Melly.
Yeah.
So it was Melly.
Yeah, Maddie.
Yeah, it was a good game.
Okay.
I clutched. If you guys didn't know, I clutched. I got us. So it was like 0 to 16, and then I got us up to 20. Yo, I was like getting fourth runner after fourth runner. That's me. Yo.
Hey.
Hey, I'm gonna play that too. Man, did you get any footage of that win, bro?
Just
At the end, and then the final shot was the winning shot. So, man, it's a good win. Good run around, hard week.
My haircutting's coming up fairly soon. It's in 3 months on July 22nd. I hope everyone's gonna be there. And where it is, I don't actually know yet. So thank you. Bye.
forgo it.
Hey guys, we can change this man. My house, so I'm out of my house, so just come. But it was just
Forgo it. Kalau fatu mako, kote kaina tunga ne haku. Bro, what's up? What's happening today, bro?
I think just invited people over for a barbecue.
Last day of the school holidays, eh? Last day of school holidays, so have a catch up before we go back to school. Nice. What's on the menu?
It's chicken, man. Just put chicken and sausages and beers.
Oh, wee! Look at that.
Windy ass.
Didn't see that. She. Hey, it's quietly. Didn't even hear that sizzling. Did you just start it?
So windy, yeah. How's work?
Work's been the same old. Might be short on. Whakaalavato. Vai kupu.
Ai, tota heuha. Uha siinä viiliä hafo. Pala si makalili. Ai makai mitaki lahi fali hei tenkina no foi.
Oi.
You guys, this is okay. That's hot wasabi. Wasabi.
Hey, we had food, so some vegetables, and some chicken on the end.
Yeah, help us off, Tim. Help us off.
Say this what's up.
That's what's up.
Eat.
Dallas hot.
Oh, I thought you had the sheet. You had one. Here.
John eats. Kids, food, and family.
Vai kupu.
John,
Kungo e kai.
Papa. Is it okay? Papa. Thank you, Hayden. To the ones, thank you for coming. Yeah, God bless. Cheers.
Forgo it.
Turn this way. Hey, we're up to, yeah, so that's it. Yeah, make it all. Yeah,
Forgo it. Whakaalavato mako. we're to karaoke now. We're meant to be singing practice, but now we're singing songs. So just matua tāne haku, matua tāne tupuna, lolongo ko Spanish eyes. E matua tāne haku ke lolongo Spanish eyes kia matua whine haku.
Man, I haven't seen you in a long while. What do you up to these days?
He's a barber shop guy. He works in jail.
Are you working or?
Say, oh, come in. Shout out to Stefan 4.
Cool, I'll go it. He's eating. Whakaalo whatu mā kou. Welcome back. Anzac Day. Got my what do you call poppy? Got my red poppy on. Hope that's what it's called. Yep. Just off to get my teeth. Whanau ke whakamea e tau nifo haku. I'm off to the dentist to get my teeth cleaned. Last time I did it was last year, and I can tell like and the bottom teeth plaque starting to build up, so jumped on grab one, got me some deals, and off to get it done again. Man, pretty happy, because I've been, no matter how, you know, kānei nifo, no matter how many times you brush your teeth, plaque build up, once it starts, it's just hard to stop. So looking forward to going in. And then yeah, I won't take the camera in, just not feeling it, Okay. Tô whilewea. Whakaalo whatu mā kou. O si te dentist, si hoka te au I Best Barbers, Niue's Best Barbers. Just finished the dentist. Man, I went to just get the teeth clean, but then I paid for the tooth extraction, pull out the tooth. Man, it was good. I needed to get that tooth pulled out a long time ago, but I just didn't want to pay the money. So, yep, $250 later, the tooth is out. Ei mamahi, langona o you could hear it twisting, but now I'm back. Back with Sensei now. Hey, in case you guys didn't know, Kingston's the head barber now at Chop Shop in Pamure. Hey, you got, what do you call them, apprentices now,
Yeah, something like that.
Got people under him, so now Kingston's head chef, head barber. Me. So I'm just here to catch up, get my cut. How's it being the top barber now, Kingston?
Oh, sorry. Still getting used to it.
Yeah.
Making it work.
Gee. Early 20s and really up there. Man. I was still trying to wash dishes when I was in my early 20s. Alright, okay, I better say goodbye. Look at that feed. Man, looks mean. Thank you, Kingston, man. Just need to grow some hair in the front because some fertilizer. Sweet. Whakaalo whatu mā kou, welcome back. Hoka te maua I Ellerslie Golf Range. Yeah, play golf, I guess.
Taito for polo.
Taito for polo.
Just a driving range.
Driving range, yeah.
Whakaako ke tai for polo ke loa mo hak.
Yeah, mama nakai. Yeah, we're here to whack the ball as far as we can. And straight, see what we can do. Ei loa ke tause, but koe expert matua tāne haku.
Hey! We're both lenders, bro.
Yeah, manako maua ke one day go and compete again with the Niue golf. Ei loa is it this year or next year? The Tri-Nations, yeah. New Zealand, Niue and Australia, Niue people have a...
Maybe it's in Aussie.
Maybe it's in Aussie. So we've got to get our game up.
Yeah.
So come to the driving range and
Learn how to hit the ball
learn
straight.
how to hit the ball straight, eh? Okay, to fill the video. Alright. Taha siao, 4 polo each.
They're gonna put it on the.
Yeah. 33 over here. We've just been told we're not allowed to hit it past 180 meter, eh?
Yeah, people would.
So we have to hold back. Because I can hit it maybe 400.
400.
400, yeah. So what, 33? Okay, when was the last time you came to golf?
Over here.
6 months ago. 6 months. Alright. Here we are. Okay. That's what it looks like.
What have you got?
Taha siao. Shee. Nice.
Did you see the ball?
You can see her. It's too fast. Woo. Nice. What's the secret? What's the secret to hitting it straight?
Just eat corned beef.
Okay. Whoosh.
Look at that one.
You probably can't see it getting hit, but the ball is going as far as those green buildings. Way down there. Watch this, you'll see it land, you'll see the ball. Wait for it, wait for it. There you go. Did you see that? Did you see it drop? That's how far we... Nah, too fast. Ui, away. Tō taha mitaki e golf swing hao, malo. My bro.
Over the brown stuff. It was over the brown stuff.
Hola. Sí. Oh, homo. The corned beef is working. Oof. Homo. Fefe. Longa tō tangata o mai ke golf whakaako. E. E.
Tee off.
Longa tō tangata mai whakaako ke tee off. Ui aue. Haia ma Tiger Woods.
That's the green fence.
Oh, oh. Oh, osi te e...
Auelo he masione he. Pere he unai.
Fefe lima hao.
Blister ai fi klavi. Yeah. No
Serious.
glove, got a blister. Homo.
Homo.
Yeah.
Hongena kai.
Monkey Fay.
Okay, Hansan.
Huh?
Hansan?
Where?
Temio. Pe miua. E hongi.
Uri nā koe ka hā.
Taha e kai si o whanau ki kahina. Okay, look like o maua ki Han San ki kai. Hoko te maua ki Han San. Manongi e tau mena kai. I ordered the C13 pan fried chicken and lemongrass. Kongi lahi au. Man, it's quite a workout playing golf, eh? Man, lole sino hongi. So yeah, okay. Yeah, golf was good. We got better and better, but they didn't have a left-hand driver, so I had to use the iron. But this fella here, you meant to hit the ball 180, but the ball was going over 180. 220. So yeah, luckily we left before we hit because there's some construction going after. So they told us 180, so yeah, we don't hit them.
You need to hit at least 300.
Yeah. They say though, they say.
Okay, but somebody in the van was looking at us.
Yeah.
But then he said he was safe, so he took off.
Go.
Hell was this? This is what I ordered last time.
Oh man. O se kai, makona na kai.
Oh, we like you to see the sign up. And Maui, Sino. Or she play practice at driving range. After we did here, with our free shout out at the Highway here. I'm for now. I got my phone out.